Did you know that your back pain could be because of your lazy glute medius and hips? These muscles should be playing a vital role in supporting the pelvis, but alas, they're just slacking off. Strengthening them can help alleviate your back pain, but before that, you need to understand this connection so that you can target the right muscles during your workout. We're going to focus on an exercise that targets these lazy areas. It's adaptable for all fitness levels, so no excuses. The key is not just going through the motions, but maintaining correct form. Slow, controlled movements are important, so don't rush. Now let's get into the exercise. This exercise might seem straightforward, but don't underestimate it. Begin by lying on your side, with your legs stacked and knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your feet together as you slowly lift your top knee, keeping your bottom knee on the ground. Lower your higher knee back down, feeling your hip muscles are used. This movement may seem basic, but it is extremely powerful when it comes to strengthening these crucial muscles and relieving back pain. Always remember, it's not about the number of clamshell exercises you can do, but the quality of each one, so make sure you do them right. Why should you do the clamshell exercise? Because it specifically targets and bolsters those dormant glute medius and hip muscles, which are essential for maintaining a healthy low back. By fortifying these muscles, you can immensely alleviate and even preempt back pain. Additionally, it enhances hip mobility and stability, thus augmenting your overall quality of life. So, the next time you suffer from back pain, try the clamshell exercise and give it a shot. No room for procrastination.